I'll show you how to switch between accounts on Instagram easily. Whether you manage a personal account, a business account, or multiple profiles, this guide will show you how to quickly switch between them without logging in and out every time. Let's get started. Instagram makes it easy to manage multiple accounts within the same app, which is super useful for those of us who juggle between personal, business, or hobby accounts. Whether you're a content creator, social media manager, or someone with different accounts for different purposes, learning how to switch between accounts efficiently can save you tons of time. Here are a few reasons you might want to switch accounts on Instagram. If you have a personal account and a business or influencer account, keeping them separate helps manage your content and audience. Social media managers and business owners may have several accounts they handle for different clients or brands. With multiple accounts, you can tailor your Instagram presence to different audiences, whether for fun, work, or a side project. Before you can switch between accounts, you need to make sure you've added all the accounts you want to manage. Here's how to do that. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or the bottom right corner icon. Once on your profile page, tap on the name of your Instagram account in the top left part. Tap Add Instagram Account. Instagram will ask you to either log into an existing account or create a new one. If you already have another account, enter your login credentials and tap Login. Once you've successfully logged into your second account, it will be added to your Instagram app. You can now switch between accounts easily without logging out. Now that you've added multiple accounts, switching between them is a breeze. Here's how to do it. Open Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your current profile. At the top of your profile page, you'll see your username displayed. Tap on your username, and a drop-down menu will appear showing all the accounts you've added. In the drop-down, simply tap the account you want to switch to. Instagram will automatically switch you to that profile, and you'll see the new account's content and feed. Managing multiple Instagram accounts also means handling notifications for all of them. By default, Instagram will send notifications for all accounts you're logged into, but you can adjust this if needed. And that's it. Switching between accounts on Instagram is super easy and can help you manage multiple profiles more efficiently. Whether you're running a personal and business account or managing several brands, Instagram's account switching feature is a huge time saver. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.